James' legendary NBA career reached a milestone when he shared the court with his son, Bronny, marking history as teammates. Regardless of debates over Bronny's readiness or LeBron's influence, the moment remains iconic. To celebrate, Nike unveiled a special edition of LeBron's signature shoe, the Nike LeBron 23, the chosen one and the one who chose. The design reflects both father and son through a split colorway, metallic gold on the right and eggplant purple on the left. Black mesh uppers feature an embroidered interlocking crown monogram, while LeBron's crown logo reinforces the structure. James' gold signature appears on the tongue, and heel branding reads the chosen and one who chose. Internally, the shoe incorporates a drop-in ZoomX midsole, carbon fiber shank, and icy blue outsole shaped like the number 23. Launching holiday 2025, the sneaker retails at $210 for men and $160 in G sizes.